Hey there, awesome folks. This is Mentor Shelly coming to you on this bright and early morning. Wanting to first say happy Monday. It's okay. I know we go into a job that we don't like, or you know what, for these high school students and these college students that are not in summer school, y'all are chilling right now. And for you guys, enjoy that time while it still lasts. But anyway, back to what we're talking about. We're talking today about, you may have actually graduated from high school and you're still trying to figure out, okay, what the heck am I going to do with my life next? Okay. And if you're looking for a job, because of course, after high school, if you have no plans of going to college, your economic pockets are dry. You need to put something in them. It's called MONEY, money. So either you have a side hustle that you're working on, or if you've never had a job before, you're looking for a job. Here's just one tidbit I want to leave with you this morning. Of course, looking for a job is a full-time job. I don't know if you've ever heard that before, but based on my experience, that is the God's honest truth. As far as looking for a job is concerned, you can do a couple of things. Based on what you like and, figuring out what you want to do. You don't necessarily mean you have to grab the first thing smoking. Although sometimes, there might be situations where you have to do that. But you can also start looking online. You can go to websites like Indeed.com and, fill out applications on there. Put a resume together if you've never done that before or you don't have one. And if that's something that you're looking to put together, then definitely I can help you with that. You can definitely go to MentorShelly.com/career strategy. That particular session comes with a conversation about what you need to do career-wise, whether you're just starting out or whether you are looking for other career opportunities. And from there, we can see that, to make sure that you get the resume that you need so you can go out and get the job that you want. Another thing, if you're looking for a job, one of the best ways to actually get one outside of having your career tool, which is your resume, ready, is to keep in touch or start keeping in touch with your present network. When I say network, is the people that you know, the people in your life already, the people's phone numbers that you have in your phone. Yeah. Not just say, oh, hey, I haven't talked to you in a while. Do you know anybody that's hiring? Not necessarily just that. But keeping in contact with your network, finding out, how they're doing, what they need, things of that nature. And, let them know what's going on with you. And, people like to help. And of course, asking for their help does not mean you just go straight for what you want, but also be reciprocal and give something as well. Those are just two things. Definitely, you want to make sure that, one, you have your career tool. The number one career tool when you're looking for a job would be the resume, and also hit up your network. But do it in such a way, which I have another video coming this week about what to do to keep your network active and make sure that your network, the more people that you know, that is professional, that is going in the same direction you are, the more your network can increase. Being in different business sectors, you hear that phrase a lot. Now, I just want to make sure that if you're not sure what your career ambitions are going to be, or you're still not sure what field of study you want to get into, or what industry you want to work in, you can definitely check out my free resource, and the link will be below at MentorShelly.com/DCG, which is the free Dream Career Guide. That is the sequence that is part of my signature program sequence that you go through. I give you like the tidbit for free. It's a very comprehensive guide that will definitely help you to pinpoint exactly what it is that you want to do right now. You may be in a job that you don't like and you want to figure out, okay, where am I going career-wise? That guide will definitely help you to get that result, or help you to figure that out. Or if you're new to a career and you're not sure of what you want, you can definitely check out the resource. You can definitely check out the guide as well at mentorshelly.com/DCG. But in order for you to know what you want, you have to take action towards it. And the first action you should take is to go to mentorshelly.com/DCG and download the guide. And of course, the July newsletter is still underway. It should be dropping by Wednesday. There's been some delays and some, there's some issues there, but I definitely want to make sure that the July newsletter is kind of late this month, but it is going to be ready by this Wednesday. Outside of that, guys, if you have questions in regards to careers, job search, interviews, salary negotiations, or how to go about all of those things, you can definitely hit me up, or you can definitely contact me at mentorshelly.com/contact. You can click on the gray tab on the right side of the screen and leave me a voice message, and you'll get your call returned within 24 hours, or you can leave me a written message on that same page. And of course, Mentor Shelly is here to make sure that you live your dream career and you become a better professional. All right, guys, take care and tackle the week like a boss. Don't let the week overwhelm you. Take care.